Furnace está próximo a llegar a Outcome Memories, junto a Sartved Eggman. Y creo que es un hecho, que todos queremos que estos entren al juego lo antes posible. Entonces gente quería enseñarles este fanmade traducido al español de cómo serían las voces de estos dos en el juego final. Sé que ya hay un actor de voz confirmado para Furnace, pero por lo mismo es un fanmade, así que nada de esto es oficial. Por último quisiera decir que habrá un bonus con un personaje extra aparte de Sartved y Furnace, pero todo esto lo veremos a continuación.
My creator is faster, smarter, tougher than you, but the main difference between you and him, he is always the winner, which can't be said about you. Your two pathetic tales are nothing compared to my hellfire, but you will be my trophy. Be proud of it. You made one fatal mistake, Echidna. The iron shell is not the flesh. You feel pain. I only become stronger. The great hero was caught right by my hellish hands. Now think for yourself who to blame for this. Me or your own self-confidence. My target's Blue Hedgehog. Anyway, that Blue Hedgehog won't even look at you, no matter when he lived or when he will die. Even though you are not a Blue Hedgehog, I'm sure my creator will enjoy seeing your dead head in front of his heads. Rejoice, you have been granted the fate of dying a more respectful death, which cannot be said about others. I expected more from you, carbon copy. You are not only no good on competition, you are no good on anything.
Finally, victory is mine! You will be my desired dinner. What a cute toy you have in your hand! Did you think you could use it to get rid of the predator? And you are the one who appeared as me in another world! Pathetic! Your actions and motives are unforgivable and meaningless! I like that little smile off your face and give it a improved look. You look grumpy, but hedgehogs do seem to taste the same, I suppose. You thought that by doing good to others, good will come back to you. Let's celebrate it at dinner. You are as pathetic and imperfect as your creator. Your place is to be a pile of scrap metal next to the corpse of your creator.